This video covers how to adjust or replace the brake on the SI-150 CBK machine. The brake provides tension, which puts downward pressure on the block of ice, causing it to shave. If the brake is too loose, the ice won't shave, and if the brake is too tight, the motor will be working too hard. To adjust and replace the brake, you'll need a large flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a magnetic retrieval tool is helpful. My screwdriver has a magnetized tip, so I'll use that instead. First, we'll cover adjusting the brake. To adjust the brake, raise the main shaft. Using a large flathead screwdriver, loosen the brake by slowly turning the brake adjustment screw counterclockwise until the main shaft falls on its own. Then tighten the brake by turning the brake adjustment screw clockwise 2.5 turns. We recommend adjusting your brake every time you change your blade. Now we'll go through how to replace the brake. As you use your machine, your brake will slowly wear down. At some point, it will need to be replaced. Always unplug your machine before replacing the brake. Remove the head cover. Loosen the brake all the way and remove the brake adjustment screw. Use a magnet tool to fish out the brake worm spring and brake. Insert the new brake in the same orientation as the brake you removed. Insert the new brake worm spring. We suggest replacing the brake worm spring when you replace the brake. Tighten the brake adjustment screw back into place. Now that you have a new brake, this is a great time to apply some fresh grease to your worm gear or remove excess grease if needed. First, take a paper towel and clean the grease off the brake gear drum. Hold your paper towel on the drum and crank the main shaft up and down a couple of times. Now that the old grease and excess grease is cleaned off, you need to reapply a small amount of new food-grade grease. Add a small dab on your finger and place it on the drum. Crank the main shaft handle up and down to spread the grease evenly. You want to apply grease like it's chapstick, not excessive amounts but a very thin layer. Readjust the new brake. Plug in the machine, turn it on, and test that it shaves properly. We hope you found this video helpful in learning how to adjust and replace the brake for the SI-150 CBK. For more information about Swan ice shavers and other machines, watch more videos on iceshavers.com or on our iceshavers.com YouTube channel.